AI is quickly becoming the fastest way to make money online. So I wanted to test how far could you actually take that? So how quickly could you go from nothing to a real working online business using AI to do almost everything for you? So that's why in this video, I'm going to use AI and I'm going to use a single photo to build a real website and a real online business as fast as possible. Just one simple input and a new tool that builds the entire business around it. So I'm going to run the full experiment and then I'll show you exactly what happens, what works, what doesn't, and whether this is actually a viable way to make money online in 2026. Let's get into it. So first, there's some problems with online business today. Everybody on YouTube is telling you to do a certain thing, buy my course, do this version, do that, start an AI agency, do drop shipping, start a YouTube channel, start a blog, do all of these different things, when really there's more people online than ever. And then there's a lot of technical setup to get this thing going. You have to choose a niche. What am I going to get into? You have to actually set up a traditional website, creating content, managing multiple tools. And then once you actually set up this business, you have a website, then the hard part actually starts. You have to market this website. You actually have to get people to it. So there's a lot of steps involved. Most people never even get that far, or once they get that far, they kind of set it up and then they just quit because they realize it takes real work to actually get people to their online business. Another problem is platform friction. So every platform that you're on typically has fees. So for example, like if you're selling on Etsy, well, there's transaction fees. If you're selling on Shopify, there's the monthly subscription cost, additional apps, and transaction fees and things like that. For example, I have a bike rental business. We do bike tours on Viator and TripAdvisor, but that's like a 23% fee right there. The truth is, and no one wants to tell you, is any type of business starting it online is not the easiest thing in the world. There's no such thing as passive income, and it takes real work to make money. But in order to do that, we can use AI as a speed tool. So that's what I'm going to test today. I'm going to test a new tool to actually create a real business from a single photo that can do everything from creating a website to doing the marketing to doing everything with the help of AI. This video is sponsored by Nos.com, and you can get started for free with a 7-day trial using the link in the description and pinned comment below. Comes fully recommended by me. So I've gone to Nos.com where I can start selling from a single photo. So I have a photo, I have a product in mind, and you can see that there's different things that you can sell. So you can sell everything from like challenges, one-on-one sessions, courses you can sell on here, fitness classes, networking, or like physical products, kind of like an Etsy replacement or a Shopify replacement, right? So jewelry, apparel, home decor, which I'm going to go in this category. I created an image and I created a product, a physical product, and it's going to be a home decor, so decoration for like a ski cabin. So I'm going to say I want to sell my ski cabin artwork, minimalist artwork, and I'm going to hit start for free. So I have a photo here I'm going to upload. So I'm uploading my artwork now. And it's ready to go. Here's the picture, and I'm going to click start my business. All right, so this is really cool. So what you'll get, you're going to get your business identity, all of this stuff, marketing tools, content to sell it, everything you need to run a business. Continue. You can start your 7-day free trial, and there's the basic plan. And if you want to go to compare plans, you can see the difference. I like the pro plan. You can sell unlimited products, especially if it has a much lower transaction fee, right? So that's probably the best one overall that I would pick. So I'm going to do a pro plan. So I'm going to hit start the free trial, and then I'll put in my information, and I'm going to get started. Payment success. So it's already given me a name, Ski Cabin Wall Moments, which would be really good for my wall art. And then it's just adding, you can add social media to get started and your phone number. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll get into it. So what's really cool is this AI co-founder popped up and it already showed me everything here. Love this idea, revenue potential, what we prepared for you. So product, ads, and leads. It's generating the ads already. It's finding the leads already. And then it brought up this physical product already based on this single image. And it has $39 as the price, which I think is good. And then different size variations automatically, different finishes and frames. And shipping is already there and delivery. So I'm just going to click create this product in the top right. It has everything pretty much done. Yeah, that looks good. I'm going to hit continue. Now you can see, based on this image I created of what it is, it's now creating more images and assets from the photo. So it's created a bunch of different images, which look really good, especially this close-up. If you look at this, Especially when you're buying like home decor and physical products, seeing a close-up of what the frame would look like, what the actual picture is here is really nice. So you can see it's also creating a video from the photo. So I'll show you that once that is done. But we have a lot of good marketing photos here that we can use. So now we can see kind of Nas.com on the left-hand sidebar here. There's home, there's products, marketing, community, getting paid, the website, and a lot more. So I'm going to start just by going back to home, and we can see here. So it has a really easy getting started guide here. So this is like creating an entire business with just one photo. Very simple. So we have different AI credits that we can use. We have an action center. You can see when I go to products, you can see I could create more products. So you can add a lot of different, say you're doing home decor, like instead of Etsy, you have your own website like this through Nas.com. So you have a lot of different things that you can do here with the product. I'm going to go to marketing. So in marketing, I'm going to go to Magic. Magic Reach is cool. It's like email marketing. You can send messages and automated messages when people join your community, and you can send things about your products. I really want to go to Magic Content here and show you this. So this is pretty cool. So I'm going to create content. So it's going to say, I'm going to create an image, and I want it to be a high converting ad because I need people to actually see my products if I want to make money. So that's, a lot of people kind of struggle with that part, right? They want to set the business up. They set up a website, they have their products, and it's like, who's going to see it? Well, we have to either run ads or do marketing or SEO or other things that we would do. So I'm saying image, high converting ad. I'm going to add the product. Optional reference image. It already has the image. I'm just going to click create concepts. So what this is it creates a prompt for the actual ad. So this is much better prompt than something I could just try to type in and say, hey, I want this picture of a minimalist artwork and a cap. It actually has, 5 or 6, 7, 8 paragraphs here. A bold, surreal, but realistic lifestyle I've seen in a modern ski cabin showing blah, blah, blah. So this is really good. I could even edit this if I wanted to. You can add different things to it. But this is a really good way to prompt from content, creating content, prompting it to create images for your product to market it and sell it through ads. So I'm going to hit generate image from this and see how that goes. So this looks really good. It's Why Not Calmer, ski cabin wall art for quiet rooms. It has kind of that quiet vibe. Like if you have a ski cabin and you want it to look nice and be minimalist, like it's got that vibe. So it actually created a really good image here from that. It's got a chair with a blanket, a little bit of stuff. You can see the snow outside slightly, but it's a good image. So I can click run as ad, but I actually haven't published my product yet. So I have to go back and do that. So I'm gonna go to product, ski cabin artwork, and then publish it. So I gotta make sure my product is published first. It's published. Boom, I can notify everybody on the team or members of the community. I'm not going to do that. There's also a share link, which is really cool. So it has its own product and checkout link. So if I check that out, you can see a really nice, this is a really good high converting product page. Here's the video right here. Let's watch the video and see how it is. That looks really good. It's zooming around the picture. Really good AI video. So you can see it takes the image and then creates a complete panning shot, zoom frame of the video itself. It looks really good. It looks really realistic. And it stays consistent throughout, which is good. All right, so that's the product photo, which is the product page, which looks really nice. So it's published. So now that it's published, I'm going to go back to the content. I'm going to click on my art, and I'm going to say run as an ad. Now this will bring me up to the ads, and you can see right here, this is perfectly ready for Meta ads, Instagram, anywhere you want to put it. So it's capture cozy memories with ski cabin wall moments, perfect for adding warmth and charm to your space. So great, again, decor, jewelry, accessories, anything physical product that you've created or that you take a picture of, you instantly have a product page, a website, videos, images, and now ads that you can run. So I think this is really nice. I mean, this looks good. I'm going to click next step. And then again, instead of getting into the complicated Meta Ads Manager and having to tweak and worry about every single setting, it's just right here. So I'm going to say, yeah, a budget of $200, set the ad for 5 days. That's $40 a day. You can edit the location, United States. You could add like Canada if you wanted to, right? I'm just going to keep it United States for now. Number of ads, you can add more, like we could go back and add more variations of the ad. As you saw, you can press this and then we can, create more ads in the ad account. We can create more content. So I could go back to the magic content. I could say, let's create another ad for this product based on something else. You could have like 5 different variations of these ads. But just for this example, I'm going to show you this. This is really good. This one. So we go next step, very simple. Then you just change the schedule. I'm going to say 5 days. You connect your Facebook here and then you click launch campaign. And now you have these ads running right to your product page. When I click on the money tab, which is cool, Nas gave me my first $5. It's a small start, but it's real money. Thank you. So I've already made $5 from just signing up and getting a free trial, which is really cool. And then you can kind of edit your things here. So you'll see in money, you have your earnings, how much money you've made, your transactions, your link, zero link, payment links with 0 fees, which is really cool. So you share a payment link in seconds. You send that link out. People can pay via credit card and there are no transaction fees. So 0 link is really nice. And then when you're ready to get paid out, $5, you just connect your payout method right here via Stripe. So you could hook up your bank account to that and then it'll automatically pay every 10, once you make $10, it pays you out. You can see a lot of different things here. You can create discounts, or you could add a discount code. I could say that Black Friday 30, and that's 30% off, right? I could set a limit to that, 100 of them or not. Validity, I could say that ends a certain time, right? So you can create these very simple promo codes that you can give people as well. And then you see fees. So physical product, 0% fees passed on to customers as part of the Pro Plan, which is really cool. And then if I click on website, which is really cool, it shows me my business page. So you can become a trusted verified business from Nas.com. But it looks really nice. Like what I like about it is if I copy this and then see what the actual page looks like, it's a really just nice website layout. So it's got the name of my business, which I can change. It's got a logo, it's got images. It already has my products. There's a community that people can, there's a feed. So it's like, it's actually looks really nice, like from a website perspective. There's popular products, right? So I could add 2 or 3 more home decor items or personal items. If you had fitness classes, you could add different classes here, different coaching if you're a business coach, all kinds of different things. Then people start joining. You add ads through social media, people start joining, then they join the community. Where are you based? What are you passionate about? They can join and they can see the community, people will start commenting. So it's like, it's a very simple but nice looking website design where there's the homepage, there's your products, and there's your community all in one place with your specific website link. You can also add memberships if you wanted to, right? You could add a paid tier for memberships. Everything is free right now. And then you can link Discord, Telegram, Facebook group, Slack for other types of linked chatting. And then of course you have analytics. So different visits, your member growth, all of that membership stuff in one place. And what's cool is if you go to the more tab, there's like your plans and billing, different stuff, your pixel and whatnot for conversion tracking. And then affiliates, if you choose the platinum plan, you can actually have affiliates sign up, promote your actual products. So you can set up your own affiliate products in the payout structure. So maybe it's, affiliates get 10, if it's a physical product, maybe they get 10%. If it's a high ticket coaching program that you're charging $1,000 or $2,000 for, then maybe they get 40%, right? It just depends on the type of affiliate program you're running, but you can invite people to become affiliates of you, track affiliate sales. It pays them. So that's on the platinum plan. So again, if I go back to the homepage and I look at, I've done everything on the Get Started tab. I watched the tutorial video before, set up the page, created a product, created a marketing campaign, made my first, I've done all of this in about 10 minutes, which is pretty crazy, right? So how far can AI take you? Well, I created a product, a home decor item based on one single image. I uploaded that image. I have a product, I have a website, I have marketing materials, I have ads, I have a whole system and a community that I can build around this. And it's a really simple thing. Co-founder helps you. You can continue to get business advice and help build things for you. The home tab shows you everything that you need to do. Your products are right here. You can create more. It's very simple. The marketing is all right here with your content and the ads that you create. You can manage the community, get paid, manage your website, and more all in one place. So it's pretty crazy. It eliminates the need for all these different tools or a bunch of Shopify apps or a bunch of things there, a bunch of transaction fees like Etsy and Shopify both have. It actually, to me, it was surprising because I hadn't used it before. And after using it, it's so easy that I actually really like it a lot more than I thought I would, to be honest. So again, it's an all-in-one system. It has the storefront so you can collect payment, adding all your products in with a single image, adding your ads. It's got content so you can create video content, images, ads, a full CRM is involved with the leads manager. So it eliminates the need for multiple tools, and it's actually been really easy to use. I just created this business in about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. I could come back here, add some more products in, do some more ads on Facebook, create more content for it in a really simple way. If you want to try Nos.com for yourself, you can click the link in the description and pinned comment below. You'll get a 7-day free trial. You could just test it out, put your products in there, create some video ads, get your first $5 from Nos.com and get started. So it's almost like, to me, that it's almost like if Shopify was created today as a new agile business, what would they have created it as? Rather than being a bloated older business, it's a new AI-based tool that you can create everything much faster with the help of AI. So I really liked it. I think you should try it, especially if you want to sell anything from physical products, digital products, courses, classes, anything at all is probably the best platform for that. So again, great tool. I like it a lot. You can get a 7-day free trial by clicking the link in the description below. This video is a little bit different. I hope you found it useful and interesting. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.